Definitely a lot of good energy out here.
You ain't got no alibi, you ugly!
It's always a surprise.
You ugly!
I love experimenting and cooking.
The beginning steps of excellence are happening.
We have a good chance of winning.
Basically, it's free for all.
You better get in there and hustle, man.
Cheaters!
You get to choose whatever you want to do.
Christina is taking the reins.
No, not ketchup.
They're basically just building some appetizers for us to taste.
We're gonna do picked up deviled eggs.
I think we're the only ones doing it.
This is a crostini.
Yes. Stuffed mushrooms.
Confident that we're gonna win.
Deviled over sandwich.
I'm a little concerned about the beverage option.
Have you ever seen a beer look like this?
How much time do we have?
They get 30 minutes to do
I
it.
think I'm one of the best cooks at this table,
We're going to put some rosemary in. And I have no idea why.
and that's a little scary.
This is probably the rowdiest group.
Privileged and excited to present.
Something Taylor Swift would have.
Please enjoy.
We had a great time.
I'm definitely impressed. Our grand prize winner.
Amazing. Thank you.